Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Gumroad. Just follow these steps so you can set up your custom domain properly and have it point to your Gumroad profile. In your GoDaddy account, log in and go to the Domain Manager. Click on the domain you want to connect to Gumroad. Scroll down to the Additional Settings section and click Manage DNS. You'll see a few default DNS records. You can delete them, they're safe to remove. Now it's time to tell the DNS servers. When someone types my domain name, send them to my Gumroad profile. To do this, you'll create a key name record. A key name maps an alias to the correct domain. Create a new record with these details. Type CNAME, host, www, points to domains.gumroad.com. TTL, 1 hour. Make sure you enter domains.gumroad.com, not your username.gumroad.com. Next, you need to make sure your audience reaches your Gumroad page even if they don't type www. This is done through domain forwarding. On the same DNS page, scroll down to the forwarding section. Click Add next to Domain. Select https:// in the drop-down. Then type your domain with www. For example, www.example.com. This way, anyone typing example.com without www will still be forwarded to your Gumroad site. Click Preview to check, then click Save. That's all you need to do on the GoDaddy side. Now, in your Gumroad account, go to Advanced Settings. Enter your domain name in the Custom Domain box and click Update Settings. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, your custom domain should start working within a few hours, though in some cases it may take up to 24 hours.